First, you will need a kitchen, and all these ingredients. To warm water, add yeast and sugar. If the yeast blooms in a few minutes, you are good to go. Add melted butter, flour, more flour. Start the mixer with a dough hook. Oh yeah, don't forget the salt. That's gonna need lots more flour. Eventually it will come together into a nice smooth dough ball. Cover and set aside. Separate and keep 2 egg yolks. Add 4 more whole eggs. Whisk, zest 2 lemons. Juice the lemons. Combine the lemon juice and zest with butter in a pan over some heat and stir till you have a nice smooth juice. Add the lemon butter to the whisked eggs, careful not to curdle it. Add some vanilla beans and bourbon. Transfer to a pan. Stir over heat till it gets nice and thick. Retrieve the dough. Pour out onto floured surface. Press and roll it until you get a thin sheet. Grate frozen butter, leaving a slight edge. Fold one edge towards the middle. Then fold the other edge over that. Put on a flat surface and cover it. Refrigerate and repeat the process 3 times. After the 3rd time, start the process again, but instead of butter, spread the now cooled lemon curd. Fold and roll thin. Place the layered dough onto sugar and lemon zest and coat it in some more. Press it flat and cut a straight edge. Flatten. Roll into a nice uniform tube. Crimp the end and roll closed. Slice and load into a buttered and sugared muffin tin. Preheat an oven to 350 degrees and throw them in. Pull them out while they're still hot or they will stick to the pan and will not come out. And 12 hours later, you too can have this tasty treat. Join us next time for another easy 3-minute recipe. Looking at all these dishes, it'll be a while.
My wife